Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be talking about bending your board. Usually unintentionally, but sometimes you think you can just get away with it. Right, now the most common reason for bending boards is you've put on a nice piece of wire. This one has to be 12 gauge. So let's put this 12 gauge onto this board. Right, okay, so that's soldered on there nicely. And I'll put the soldering iron away. Okay, so we've got this lovely board, okay? And we've got it's soldered on. Right, now the solder sometimes, as you see, travels up. And I've done this on purpose, by the way. Right, travels up here. Right, so it gets a little bit hard to get it onto your 510. And what that does is you get it onto your 510 and it creates stress. Now, not only does it create stress on the 510 and stops it going in and out nice and easily, right, but one of the most important things is these boards, right, you put stress on there, right, and it bends. You might not think, oh, well, that's not very much. But this little bend that you're introducing into this board, right, is putting it under a strain. Now, it doesn't actually hurt the fabric of the board, but what it does do, right, is you've got here, you've got very small soldered, bits. And what happens is, as all these little bits heat up, right, the solder doesn't actually come unstuck, but slowly over time, those bits will move, and then your board won't work, or something strange will happen to it, and you'll go, oh, now why has it done that? Yes, you can see I buggered this one up here. Yes, that was me trying to use a tool which was not designed for the job, trying to be in a rush, and I buggered the board. So, if anybody wants a DNA 75, not the C, just the DNA 75, and they're going to put a separate voltmeter on it, give me a shout. If you pay postage, you can have this one. So, apart from that, this board is working fine. Okay, don't bend your board.